I can't even start Christmas shopping. My wife's birthday is tomorrow. And our anniversary was last month, so I'm in deep trouble.
You want that on the record, Judge?
This is the time set for special master hearing in the Wren versus Affinity Lifestyle et al. And the coordinated cases for discovery. The Wren case is case number A 21-831169-B. And we do have a court reporter, so before you speak, identify yourself and who your client is. But what I'd like to start with is the trial settings we received in a couple of cases to make sure everyone is okay with the discovery deadlines and the trial date. I'll start with the Hunter Brown case. We received a scheduling order filed on December 4. The discovery is to be completed next September 9. And the order calls out the dates and motions. And the trial is set February 10, 2025. Eric, are you and Will okay with that?
Eric Pepperman for plaintiffs. Yes, Floyd, that is consistent with what we previously discussed, I believe.
All right, how about you, Joel?
Yeah, that's fine. I think we discussed, this is Joel Odou for the record. I think we discussed 3 cases.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I think it's on. I think that mic's on.
Joel Odou for the real water defendants. We discussed the discovery deadlines in the 3 cases, and they're agreeable in all 3 at the same time.
Okay, that's Brown, Bonner, Bonnar, and Chang.
Correct.
Eric, you and Will agree with that?
Yes, we set them all on the same.
Okay. I had a request on Zimmerman. Go ahead and do that first. I had an email on Zimmerman, case number A21-834577-C. And Sir DiSalvo, I'm looking for your name. I think I see.
Hello, I'm on. My name is Sarah DiSalvo on behalf of Plaintiff Grace Zimmerman.
Okay. And she sent an email proposing dates for trial, for which would be included in a letter from me to the judge for the earliest trial date. Joel, let me start with you. Are you agreeable with those dates?
So the dates in the letter are dates when other cases are set for trial. So we just need to pick a date. It's not one of those.
You mean every one of these is another trial?
Yeah, so in the matrix that you're looking at, those are real water trials starting in January of 2025. And so our proposal would be one of 2 things. Either we set it, see the judge in front of me. We set it.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Either we said it, I'm having a hard time hearing you.
Yeah, you know, let me make a suggestion for future hearings. I'm always here, so why don't we have the court reporter here? Because we haven't had trouble before. Hit that button. I'm trying to get, we have mics. Yeah, hit the red button. Yeah.
There we go.
Does that make it any better?
I can hear you, Judge, yes.
How about Joel?
All right, this is Joel Odou for real water. Can you hear me now?
If you're talking loud like that, I can hear you, yes, thank you.
I'll continue talking loud. So,
All right, so these are the dates for McGovern, Brown, Bonner, Chang, Allen, right?
correct. And so what we would propose is that Zimmerman then has a discovery cutoff at the end of 2024 and is set for trial in early 2025 at the court's convenience, with either a note that it's not going to be set at the same time as another case. We don't have to try 2 cases at the same time, or we set it on a date other than January 6th, February 10th, or April 21st. I don't have a preference either way, just don't want to be in two places at once.
So you're proposing a discovery cutoff at the end of 24, trials in early 2025, but not January, February,
Or April.
after April.
Yeah, after April will be fine.
That would be fine.
Okay, is everybody agreeable? I'll send a letter to the judge on that.
Sarah DiSalvo on behalf of plaintiff is agreeable.
Okay, thank you. And what department is that? You know what judge that is?
Get it in a sec. I'll look it up in a sec.
Yeah, I can look right now.
Actually didn't pull pleading.
That's full Z. I show it's in front of Department 22, Judge Johnson.
That's what I see as well.
All right, thank you. I'll get a letter out on that.
Thank you.
And that will get e-served in the Wren case. Like everything else is supposed to be done. So you only, for those of you not in Zimmerman, if you just follow Wren, you'll get a copy of my letter. It'll get e-served hopefully today. All right, Eric, Will, do you have anything you need me to cover right now?
Floyd, the only thing is, as discussed at the last special master hearing, we had the hearing on the motion to consolidate Kava into the Wren carrier case in front of Judge Alf. Judge Alf granted the motion yesterday, and we brought up the deadlines in the Wren carrier case and our stipulation to move them to match what they currently are in the Kava case. And Judge Alf said that she had no issue with our stipulation on the proposed dates. So I think we just need something memorializing the fact that all the current dates in Kava are going to be the dates in the newly consolidated Wren carrier and Kava case.
Well, unless someone has an objection, why don't you prepare an order and send it over to Judge Alf? She's already agreed to it, correct?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do the stipulation.
No, she's above my pay grade, so you go directly to her. She's already heard it.
And this is Joel Odou for Real Water Defendants for the record. The current deadline for extra disclosures in Wren and carrier are next week. And so just want to put on the record that we have an agreement on the parties that that deadline is being moved.
Eric Pepperman for plaintiffs agreed.
All right. Do any of the plaintiffs have anything else they need me to cover before I move to the defense?
Nothing else from us, Floyd.
Any plaintiff counsel? Do you need anything else?
Lloyd, Danielle Miller for Lisa King. I don't have anything. Thank you.
How
Shell
about-
Hennis.
Go ahead. No, I'm assuming if there's so many of you, don't worry.
Yeah. Shell
Unless
Hennis.
you need to cover something, you don't have to.
And no worries, Shell Hennis for plaintiff Nathan Vincelette. We don't need anything covered at this time.
All right, thank you. How about from Real Water?
Joel Odou for Real Water, nothing further.
We're done? Everybody must need a Christmas shop like I do.
Eric Freeman for Real Water, nothing further either.
I can't even start Christmas shopping. My wife's birthday is tomorrow. And her anniversary was last month, so I'm in deep trouble.
You want that on the record, Judge?
Yes, no, she knows. We're 29 years. She's well aware. Some years because of the anniversary November, the birthday December, and Christmas, she'll say, don't worry about my birthday. I've already put something in your closet. So that's how you make it 29 years. All right, then Joel, with the holidays and everything coming up, should I set another hearing in January?
Joel Odou for Real Water. If you do, currently we're set to start the Hunwardson trial, I believe on January 16th.
6. So the governor's 6.
I'm sorry, on January 6th or 16th, I
Oh.
didn't hear you.
Go ahead.
So on the Hunwardson trial, we are set to start on January 16th. So we would request a special master hearing before we start trial.
Oh, before the
That way we can get it out of the way and
well, I can bump. Oh, I see. Okay. And it'll be by Zoom again. I would ask if it's not too much trouble, it might be easier for the court reporter if you're here. I don't mind you being on Zoom, but for your advantage, if you want to be here, you're welcome to be here. Otherwise, I don't mind you participating by Zoom.
Yeah, well, I think we would appreciate being there. It's very difficult to hear the attorneys in person. Thank you,
And-
Judge.
Well, and I'll have some, I'm not sure these microphones. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
the
you're cutting.
microphones-
Yeah,
I'm
you're
not
cutting
sure
in and
the-
out. It's very difficult.
Yeah, I'm not sure the microphones are working. I'll have the tech come in and look at those. All right, if there's nothing else, everybody else, good luck with your shopping and good luck on whatever holidays you want to celebrate this month.
Thanks, Floyd. Happy holidays.
Thanks, Floyd.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.